I really want to tell my girlfriend, but I can't. This started a week ago, and it's been keeping me up at night. It's all I've been thinking about whenever my mind is free. The secrecy is eating me up. Every day it gets harder and harder to hide things from her. Just one more week. One more week, and I can finally surprise my visitor. Ang hirap mo magtago ng surprise kapag sobrang excited. I'm from Baguio, and she's from Manila. So most of our trips are planned to make the most of it. This is the first time I'll be visiting her as a surprise. Sobrang hirap alamin yung plans niya. Next week kasi baka mabooking ako, and I had to ask random questions just to gain some information. I'm glad she's mostly free next week. I even had to remove my email sa device niya because she's the one who checks my mail for me. And the Airbnb and bouquet receipt got sent there. I'm glad she did not feel that something was off. I'm one call away from telling her my plans. I just can't contain myself, so I had to post here. I hope I can last until next week's Thursday.